not good enough!
New one, old one, new one, old one. So I guess the old one is actually quite a bit bigger because the visor goes straight up, whereas this one kind of goes up and back and down. It's kind of strange. Hey, check it out. It goes up and then it sort of slots like, I don't know, kind of cool. New one, old one, new one, old one. Width-wise, I'm pretty sure the G-Mac is going to be thinner. No, pretty similar, I guess. Let's do the helmet on test. Oh god, I'm topless. Alright, edit out your own toplessness. Yeah, doing a nice tour of the kitchen. Oh my god, what's with my glasses and my eyes? Whoa.
Frank Thomas. I tried loads. None of them were good enough here. This was the closest.
know that I had a lot of trouble trying to track down something that would fit. That's why I'm just saying, maybe look at the Nolan N100 dashboard. It might fit your weird shaped fucking head. Because it fits my weird shaped fucking head. Mountain bitches. 1 week until Land's End Run. The option. Hey, gotta go action hero. I don't know why I said that. Fucking Judge Dredd much. Dumbness. Absolute dumbness. No special destination today, I'm afraid. This is a real short one. Just need to go to the shop. I really just wanted to see what the helmet looked like on me. That's what this whole video is about, vanity. Ooh, I got a sweaty head. Ooh, I got a sweaty head. Oh, yeah, this is the first one. Turn circle of a barge. Let's go shopping. Let's test out helmet cam. Oh, choking myself here. Can't really look down though. Well, here's what it is. Oh, holy shit, look at that. To get noisy and remain safe. Fucking hear me coming. Jesus. One more stop. We need to see if we can find some CR2032 batteries, which I didn't have in Lidl, but they did have Rolo muffins, which are quickly melting in my bag. So we better hurry up and get out my fucking way. I would iron bike and I go where I like, but it's a bit tight, even if Dyna is in slim mode. Oh my god, move! Will the bike bit be in the shade? I'll tell you what, if the bike parking isn't in the shade, I'm going to Tesco. Yeah, it's not in the shade. So, fuck this. I ain't getting a bird bump. Hell, industrial estates. Oh, I just love speed bumps. Oh, nice. Can't stop to look. Too hot. Lift my lid up, holy shit. I didn't bring the chest mount out, otherwise I'd switch the chest cam and lift my head face off. Fuck, this is unbearable when you stop. I need more supermarket aircon please and thank you. Immediately cooler in here. you cool off a little bit, and I'll do the same. Just a band of sweat on my forehead. Oh jeez. London, that one time we was in London. I love being outdoors so much. I hate being indoors on days like today. It sucks. I want to be outdoors, experiencing breeze, blue sky. Oh fucking come on, traffic lights. I'm dying. It's ridiculous. When the adventure continues. Gently around the roundabout. No, you're not fucking good at this stuff for some reason. Well, watch where you go. Lean right over. That's it. Like some power. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Entering the garage from this angle. All the wonders. Don't burn yourself. That's called